हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरे फेस पर ऑलरेडी मेकअप किया हुआ है, सो दिस इज नॉट अ गेट रेडी विद मी। दिस इज एक्चुअली समथिंग जो आप मुझे बहुत टाइम से पूछ रहे हैं। मुझे बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आते हैं मेरे ब्रशेस के बारे में पूछते हुए, एंड how I wash my brushes and how I keep them clean. So I thought why not make a video for you on that. तो आज हम बात करेंगे मेरे सारे ब्रशेस की। जो भी ब्रशेस आप मुझे देखते हैं अब मेरे Get Ready With Me में यूज करते हुए, we're gonna talk about that. I'm going to show you how I clean my brushes because ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा important step है. It's very unhygienic to just let the makeup sit on your brushes. तो मैं इन्हें regularly clean करती हूँ, और yes मैं खुद clean करती हूँ because जब तक मैं खुद अपने हाथ से clean ना करूँ मुझे तसल्ली नहीं मिलती है. I don't feel comfortable. So I have to make sure that I clean my own brushes thoroughly, and yeah, let me show you how I do that. सबसे पहले तो I've been very organized since I've moved to the new house, and I've made a separate basket with all my cleaning supplies for cleaning my brushes. And मैं आपको एक एक करके बताऊंगी कि what all is actually in my basket. Okay. सबसे पहले है ये instant brush cleanser. When I don't want to wash it with soap and water and I want instant cleanliness, I use this solution. And another instant brush cleanser is this one which I have. और this also works actually quite well. इसे बस एक वेट वाइप पर लेती हूँ, स्प्रे करती हूँ, एंड आई जस्ट क्लीन माई ब्रशेज. जो ऊपर जो पाउडर लग जाता है आई शेडोज़ का, इट कम्स ऑफ वेरी वेरी इजीली विद दैट. These are Deep Cleanse Sponge and Brush Wash. ये मुझे Sephora में मिला था a couple of months back when I was traveling, and they're very good. It says 99% germs, kills 99.9% of bacteria, which is why I picked it up, and that is very important for me. Again, makeup cleanser. I don't know why this is in my brush cleansing kit, but I'll keep this out. Okay. Another daily brush cleaner spray. मैंने ये बहुत सारे स्टॉक करके रखे हैं क्योंकि it's very important for me to instantly clean my brushes and constantly clean my brushes. So these come in very handy, the sprays. This is the same thing. Deep cleaning brush and sponge shampoo. इससे बहुत ही thoroughly clean होते हैं मेरे brushes and sponges. Yeah, तो I picked up like 3 on my travels. ये अभी भी चल रहा है, and I have my backups ready. So yeah, this is what is part of my cleansing kit. और आज मैं यूज़ करूँगी 3 products. One is my shampoo, one is the spray, and one is the wash. And yes, सबसे important चीज़, ये बहुत ही handy चीज़ है. I'm going to link it in the description. This is a rotating brush cleanser. It comes with a plug, and you'll see the magic. It just makes my life really really easy. So this is what we're going to use today as well. And ये बाकी का सामान मैं वापस रख देती हूँ. Actually found something else which is really handy. I'm a big Amazon chatori. I keep shopping for random stuff online, and I bought this brush dryer. तो मैं ब्रशेस को वॉश करती हूँ और इसमें डाल देती हूँ, एंड इट ड्राइज इन लाइक 4 hours और लेसर. सो अगेन वेरी हैंडी फॉर मी. यू डोंट नीड टू बाय इट, आप नेचुरली भी सुखा सकते हो. आई जस्ट लाइक बाइंग स्टफ ऑनलाइन. ओके, सबसे पहले आई एम गोना स्टार्ट विथ प्लगिंग इन माई इक्विपमेंट. आई एम गोइंग टू ले दिस आउट हियर so that I can instantly dry my brushes once I've washed them. These are my clean brushes, but I'm going to use the cap just to keep the brushes that I need to wash. तो पहले तो identify कर लेते हैं. Eyeshadow brushes, yes, they definitely need to be cleaned. My concealer brush. Another eyeshadow brush which has lots of product on it. This is my, yes, waterline brush. This is my I use it to apply sunblock and primer mostly. Got a lot of residue on it, so we have to wash it. My contour brush. another eyeshadow brush. This is highlighter brush. It has very less residue on it, so I'll show you how to use my spray to clean that. This also has some blush on it, जो मैं बहुत कम use करती हूँ, तो there's less residue on it. But yeah, this is my eyebrow brush. और जिस ब्रश के बारे में आप लोग हमेशा पूछते हैं, माई फाउंडेशन ब्रश. दिस इज द Kat Von D number 10. इट वर्क्स रियली वेल ऑन माई फेस एंड आई गेस आप लोग सब देख सकते हो, एंड विच इज़ वाई यू कीप आस्किंग मी अबाउट इट. सो येस, दिस इज द ब्रश यू बीन आस्किंग फॉर. So first I think we'll clean the brushes जिस पे उतना ज़्यादा residue नहीं है, and we can instantly clean them. So I'm going to be using the spray and a wet wipe. I'm going to fold it in 4 so it actually looks like that. Brush with not so much residue. Literally just do this. And look how clean and white it's become. और इसे actually I don't need to do anything to it. I don't need to wash it with water. I can just put it away. So मैं इसे अपने जगह रख देती हूँ. उसके बाद let's go for the blush brush. Again, it had very little residue, which is completely gone. Flip it around, spray some more. Good job. I think I'm done with the instant cleaning. बाकी brushes को देख के लग रहा है कि I will have to wash them with the shampoo. Next, let's move on to, this is my favorite cleaning product ever. Yeah, it's just really good. So पहले मैं क्या करती हूँ, I fill the cap with some water and I pour it into my cleanser, and then about 5 or 6 pumps of this, and I take the brush. Check this out. So satisfying. Look at that. I don't like to waste water, तो मैं पहले सारे brushes को wash करके इस shampoo में, then I rinse them out with water in the end. So I'm just going to leave it over here, and we can use a couple more brushes as well with the same water. See how clean that became? पहले मैं एक ब्रश लेके अपने हाथों से धोती थी. This has really made my life very simple. मुझे comments में बताओ if this was helpful for you and how often do you guys wash your brushes actually. Okay, now I'm going to just replace the water because I have 2 big brushes left. So same thing, 5 pumps. और अब इस ब्रश को देख लीजिए, ध्यान से देखिए इस ब्रश को. I love it. And now ये ब्रश में काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेजिड्यू है, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना गो ओवर इट इन दिस बोल इटसेल्फ और फिर इसे एक पानी बदल के नए शैम्पू के साथ भी मैं धोऊंगी. सो दिस आई गो ओवर डबल बिकॉज ये ब्रश मैं सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. Oh my god, look at that. That's a lot of residue. Okay, now I need to change. Wow, निकलते ही जा रहा है इससे तो. Again, same thing, 5 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's already gotten pretty clean, but I need to run over it. See, थोड़ा रेसिड्यू था. I think we got it all. This it doesn't go क्योंकि ये थोड़ा स्टेन हो चुका है after prolonged use. So, but it's pretty clean. I know it's clean. Okay, keep this aside. Throw the water. As you can see, I'm a pretty neat person. मुझे messy चीजें बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. And messy लोग बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. Up, I'm going to rinse out all my brushes. So I'm gonna keep them back in this. ये एक्टिविटी मेरे लिए काफी थेरेप्यूटिक है. I don't know, I get some shanti when I wash my brushes. Do you also feel that? Is that weird? Is done. I'm going to flip over the towel and really dry the brushes before I put them in my brush dryer. कभी-कभी मुझे लगता है मेरे पास ऐसी चीज़ें क्यों हैं, but है. तो anyway, उसका ढक्कन लेके this is the inside of it. After I've dried it, I kind of have to just put it like that so it stays upright और ये किसी wall से touch नहीं होना चाहिए. So yeah. मज़ा आ रहा है? मुझे भी. This as well. इसको ऐसे set करके keep all the brushes straight. I'm going to plug this in as well. इस पे setting होती है 4 घंटे की. It's very noisy this thing, but it does the job. So yeah. बाद में on कर देती हूँ अपना outro करके. Anyway, जी तो ये था मेरा ब्रशेस वाला वीडियो. आई हैव लिस्टेड ऑल द ब्रशेस फॉर यू ताकि आप जान सके मैं कौन से ब्रश यूज़ करती हूँ, मैं अपने ब्रशेस को कैसे साफ करती हूँ एंड हाउ आई ओवरऑल टेक केयर ऑफ माई ब्रशेस. सो आई होप दैट वॉज हेल्पफुल एंड आप भी अपने ब्रशेस को अच्छी तरह क्लीन कीजिए प्लीज़ बिकॉज यू आर यूजिंग इट ऑन योर फेस एंड all of you wonder why my skin is so good, probably because I keep my brushes very very clean as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that and thanks for watching. Next video will be on my eyeshadows, I promise. Yeah, I know, I remember I have to make that as well. So next time for sure. Lots of love.